Welcome to another LTW product showcase video. Today we're highlighting our weld tables that are height adjustable. By push of an electric button, it raises the work up and down to accommodate all different heights, welders, and different height applications that you're putting on the weld table. One of the features, the most prominent, you can see is this big heavy duty frame. It's made out of 3-inch 7-gauge welded tube steel construction that is just super beefy, and then incorporated into that is levelers and casters. So sure enough, if you want it to raise up and down, it's solidly on levelers. If you actually want to move it around easily, one person, they just go ahead and push the down pedal and they lower it all the way down, and then you push it again a second time and it actually goes down on the casters, lifts up those levelers, and now you can just effortlessly move it where you need it. And then push it going up and it goes ahead and puts those levelers down to the floor, raises those casters and the whole frame up and down, and it has about 12 inches of travel. So it can accommodate a large group of people and applications that you're going to put on this. Incorporated into this as well is fork pockets for various forklifts to be able to come right in here and lift this right up and move it easily as well. And it's got electric screw drive actuators, just like all of our products, that just has 12 inches of travel, like I mentioned, and it's got 6 of them built into this, 2, 4, 6, to give you a lot of lift capacity. Definitely a great product to help your welders get their ergonomic on as they're working on all kinds of different heights products. It is just a game changer. And like our welders in our own shop, they all have these awesome LTW ergonomic weld tables. We're going to show you a little bit of how this works with one of our actual welders that welds on this table. Benito, you've been using this table, so before this table and when it went up and down, you were working on tables that were not height adjustable. So does this one benefit you at all?
Oh yeah, this is a beautiful table. You do whatever you want it with this table. This is beautiful table.
Beautiful, beautiful. So do you ever have to lower it down for applications?
Yes, I do. When I do something heavy, I raise, and then when I need to use that crane, I lower down and take it out of the piece and put it on the floor.
Nice, 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 nice. Well, very good. Well, go ahead and thank you so much. Go ahead and let's fire up here and let's see if we can see some action on this awesome weld table. To learn more about these awesome new weld tables, go to our website, ltw1.com. Get your ergonomic on.